Let's go.
Welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all ain't eat too much of that Thanksgiving food, man. All them cakes and pies, man. But if you did, get your butt up and go to the gym. But anyway, check this out, man. I thought I was gonna need y'all a favor, man, in trying to get this house rented in Baton Rouge that we got, man. But luckily, we got a tenant in there. Luckily, I'm saying luckily, but we blessed to have a wonderful, wonderful tenant in there again. The old tenants moved out not too long ago. But anyway, the last video we left off with doing work on the barn, and I ain't gonna keep y'all waiting too much longer, man. Let's get to work.
Said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with. I said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream. Said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with. I said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream.
Get that out of here. All right, guys, so I excuse the background noise. But anyway, I put on that first coat of green, and then I put on a second coat of green, and then I went to a semi-gloss of the same color green that we're going to do the trim in, and I put a little bit on the baseboards, as you can see right there. We also went ahead and hooked up our new lighting that we got. We had them old big fluorescent light bulb, you know, the ones that's pretty much everywhere in this barn, and we going with LED everywhere. So I went ahead and installed that while I was doing my painting and stuff, letting it dry. But it's starting to come out, man. It's starting to make a little progress. It's looking pretty good. This is after I put the first coat of tan, the base coat right here on that wall to your right here. Next. So we're gonna have to move your office. All right, my people. So now I'm gonna take a little quick work break, man. And it's gonna be real quick because we gotta get back to this barn. And all I'm gonna say is, man, it was just a typical work weekend, man. Couple little scuffles over here. Some dude riding a chick back over there. You know, random downtown Baton Rouge stuff, man. But yeah, about the update on the master bedroom. This right here is one of those learning moments for me. To make a long story short, man, we were, as you can see, making good progress on the master bedroom. Very huge room, so I knew it was gonna take a little while, but I never thought of a setback like this, man. Yeah, one of these old space heaters got me, man. Either the cord itself shorted out, damn, or a little ember or something flew out of the thing and got on our bed, and it was flame on, bro. And I mean, we was fighting it for like a minute or two until Tasha could locate the fire extinguisher, and this is where we at, man. I wish I could say minor setback for a major comeback, but this is just a damn setback. I'm just really grateful that we were here in the house and could see the smoke billowing out of that room and go in there and fight it, because I could have been outside or off at work or something. So nobody was hurt, just my pride and my back from doing all this damn work.
We our best bet. And wife and shit, we been doing it. This is the first letter.
So yeah, guys, remember I said in the last video, 2 steps forward, 3 steps back. This is like 10 steps back. That's all that. Fire extinguisher, powder down there. So bring out the spider webs, bud.
I know.
You making nothing but soot in the air.
Oh,
Again.
yeah, I slept at first shit and shit. That's up. I shouldn't have. Shit, I don't know.
You can.
I'm gonna finish this shit off.
You might well get the big stuff out with the broom and then suck it. Man, the wife stayed up pretty much all night, man. I think she said she was sweeping for like 4 hours so that I can come in here and get this thing prepped and be ready to paint again. But you know what? I'm not even down about it. I'm happy, man. I'm happy. That was the Lord telling me I needed to put 3 coats of paint instead of 2. Well, I'm probably gonna have to put 4 now because of this smoke damage. But yeah, man, again, I'm just glad nobody got hurt. It was a little bit of work. Ooh, I need to be a rapper, boy. Hey, yo, man, I want you to comment down below if this has ever happened to you. Have you ever been through a fire? Because I can remember back in high school, man, my 10th grade year of high school, man, we had to literally go to the road and watch everything burn, man. I grabbed my championship ring and the clothes I was wearing to school the next day, man, and got out of there, man. And just like that, happy people, we done made it to the end of the video, man. The next video is already recorded and all that, man. I'm gonna drop that pretty soon, probably in a couple days. And try and get this whole little series behind me. I don't wanna be smelling no smoke or looking at no char on my walls. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man, if you're digging the comment, and tell somebody about it. You know what I mean? Share it. And like I always tell y'all, man, make somebody smile. Go over to my Instagram and DM me and send me a message to make me smile too, man, because Yo, y'all just don't know how close we were to just grabbing the kids and getting the heck up out of here, man. I couldn't have watched my family's barn just burn to the ground. So I literally fought that fire, man. Like, it's black smoke filling halfway up to the ceiling up in here, man. Everywhere where you see where it's black at, that's where you couldn't see. It was pitch black smoke. I'm literally on my hands and knees trying to fight this fire, man. And for a split second, bro, I was almost ready to just grab the kids and go and stand back and just watch it burn, man, or call the fire department. But we fought it. We won. It's a lot of black cobwebs everywhere for me to suck out. I'm pretty much did all of that already as I'm making this video, but still obviously a lot more wiping on these walls and getting it ready for paint. But like I always say, you know I ain't scared of no work, man. I'm about to get to it, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all, man.